In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up chat on stream with OBS Studio. By the end, your live chat will appear cleanly on your broadcast using a streamelements overlay and a browser source in OBS. Start by opening a browser and signing in to the streamelements dashboard. Once you're in, head to Streaming Tools, then open Overlays. We're going to build a simple overlay just for chat. Click New Overlay, choose a base canvas of 1080p for a standard setup, and click Start. If you stream in a different resolution, that's fine. You can adjust later in OBS, but 1920 by 1080 is a safe default. Inside the overlay editor, click Add Widget. From the panel, select Stream Tools, then choose your stream's chat. You'll see a chat box appear on the canvas. Position it where you want it to live on your stream layout, keeping in mind safe areas so it doesn't cover gameplay or important HUD elements. Now, customize the theme and font settings to match your brand. Pick a high contrast theme for readability, increase the font size if your chat box is small on screen, and consider a slightly heavier font weight so text stays legible even on busy backgrounds. Take a moment to fine-tune alignment, message spacing, and any effects according to your style. When you're happy, save the overlay. Then click the link icon to copy the overlay URL. Treat this URL like a source link for your chat. Keep it private so only your OBS uses it. Switch to OBS Studio. In the Sources panel for the scene where you want chat, click the plus button and choose Browser. Give the source a clear name like Stream Chat so you can find it later. Paste the URL you copied into the URL field. Set the width and height to 1920 by 1080 to match the overlay canvas you created earlier. If you designed a narrower chat area in streamelements, you can still start with 1080p here and resize in the preview, or enter custom dimensions that match your overlay layout. Click OK and your chat should load inside OBS. Drag the source to place it exactly where you want it. Use the red bounding box to scale it. If needed, test by sending a message in your chat so you can see live updates. Make sure the chat layer is above your gameplay in the sources list, and lock the source once it's positioned so you don't move it by accident. That's it. Your stream chat is now integrated with OBS using a streamelements overlay. Save your scene collection and you're ready to go live with clear on-brand chat visible to your viewers.